Hello everyone, we will continue the topic explicit enhancement, and in this particular video we will implement and we will write the logic there. So I will go for system status. I will go to screen number. We will go to process after input event. And in this module, we have an enhancement point available. Here at this enhancement point, we will write our own logic. You all know if you want to write the logic, you need to create implementation first. But can we change? We cannot change SAP logic. We need to enhance the logic. And you all know if you want to enhance, you need to click on to which button? Enhance button. This process is similar. Creating the implementation is similar, which we did in implicit also, because implementation creation part is totally same. So at this enhancement point, we will create our implementation. So how? Firstly, we click on to enhance mode. Same, we will right click. In implicit also, you simply right click enhancement operations, create implementation. We will create one implementation. I will click on to create button. So we are validating the material. So I will give Z validate. Suppose I'm saying material to validate the material number. I will click on to OK button. I will go for local object. Suppose I will choose this implementation. Okay. Now you can see one window opened where we can write our logic. And you can understand why we are saying this topic as enhancement. You are enhancing SAP logic into which namespace? Customer namespace. That's why we are saying it as enhancement. Now, can we write a logic here? Yes. So firstly, I will declare one variable. Suppose I'm saying LV underscore check, length is 10, type C, value. Our material number should consist of any number from 0 to 9. So I took one variable which has the value 0 to 9. I'll check the syntax. Now, in the previous video, I showed you that our material number is coming into this. If the material number, now we have a string operation, that is NA. What is the meaning of NA? Contains not any. Okay. If your material number, whatever the material number you are passing from the screen, if it is not containing anything from LV underscore check, simple. Suppose I'm giving pharma. Okay. So pharma does not have any number from 0 to N. So pharma will check into this. Is the pharma has anything from 0 to 9? No. So this statement will give us the result that it does not have any number from 0 to 9. Suppose I'm giving pharma 1 as the material number. Now pharma 1 has the 1. So it will check into this particular thing. Does it have from 0 to 9 any number? Yes, it has from 0 to 9 number. So this if condition will not execute. Yes, sir. So what is the meaning of NA? NA means contains not any. If it is not containing anything from 0 to 9, if whatever you are passing, it is not containing anything from 0 to 9, yes, we should give a error, yes. So I will simply go for end if, and we will give a message there. I'm writing message. I will create a message, suppose in the message class, suppose I'm going for SC91. SC91 is the transaction code for the message class. I'll go for some message class. Suppose I will create some material number should consist of any number between 0 to. It is a relevant message so that anyone can understand. What is our message number? 008. So we will give error message 008, and this is your message class. I will put dot. I'll check the syntax and activate. And you can see in the SAP code, we have written our own logic, own implementation we did. I will put a breakpoint and show you in debugging mode, is our logic is working or not. I will go to MM01. Suppose, firstly, I am giving a wrong material. Suppose I am saying pharma Y. Pharma Y does not have any number. It is simply consist of alphabets. Whenever I will put enter, PAI event call, yes, whenever PAI event called, our logic is triggering. This is your material. This is checking into this particular LV check. Does it have anything from 0 to 9? No, it does not have anything. It does not contain anything from 0 to 9. So this if condition is true. Once this if condition is true, this message is triggering. You can see messages coming. Material number should consist of any number from 0 to 9. And see, previously it was not there. In SAP code, we have written our own logic. Suppose I am giving pharma 2. Suppose I am saying now it has number. I am pressing enter. Now, is this particular thing contains not anything from 0 to 9? No, it consists of 2. So this if condition is false. This if condition is false. Now, if you see, now we do not have any error. I'm selecting basic data 1. I'm giving description. I'm going for unit of measurement, and I'm clicking on to save button. And you can see we have the material number created because it has the number. So this is the way how you can achieve a requirement. That is a customer specific requirement. SAP is not stopping. You can go for any material number. But now based upon the customer requirement, yes, we stopped, yes, and we told that you should create a material number which consists of only, I will say, numbers. Now, many times people ask me, if I will go to system and status, if I will go to the same screen number. Now, many times I got the query, yes, we have one more enhancement point available. Why you have not used this? Why you use this only? If you see before this enhancement point, we have a check condition available that your material number is initial. But is our material number initial? We are passing the material number. We are passing the material number. If I will implement this enhancement spot, will this logic trigger? It will not trigger because we are passing the material number. So this check condition will be fail. And if we are implementing this enhancement point, still our logic will not trigger. So I implemented the enhancement point before that only, before check only. So this is the full practical of your explicit enhancement, in which we implemented the enhancement point. In the next video, we will implement enhancement section. Then we will go for full difference between the point and the section. So that's it in this video. Thank you.